JuddieFrost channel. So today's video I would like to review our eyebrow stamp kit. So this is what we review for today. So as you can see, I don't have any eyebrow. I did not put any eyebrow, but I have a little bit makeup on my face. So let's get started. So this is our stencil that we are using to shape our eyebrows. And this is our sponge applicator that we use to our eyebrow to pat, and the color is dark brown as my color is brown. So this is how it looks like. So that's guys. This is what we use, a classic for my eyebrow because it's my size of my eyebrow. So we just try to fix it if it fits, and then if not, then we choose a different one. But for me, I think this one is fits. Lay the stencil flat on your brow and place the second finger on point to make sure that the angle of the stencil is the same for both brows. Take the sponge applicator and begin to pat lightly, starting at the tail of your brow. Finish at your most fitting brow length. You can see the difference. It's nice. So this is before, and that is our with our eyebrow stamp kit. And it's easy to use, guys. So next to our left. So we just do the same procedure. Lay the stencil flat on your brow and place a second finger on point to make sure that the angle of the stencil is the same of both brows. Take the sponge applicator and begin to pat lightly, starting at the tail of your brow. Finish at your most fitting brow length. Oh wow! Very easy to use. Shaping and define perfect brows create a perfect symmetrical brows 10 times faster, long-lasting, waterproof also. To complete our eyebrow, we need to brush a little bit. Like that, and then we must wipe some excess. To finish our makeup for today, I just use Mega Bronzer number 2 Warm. So that is our demo for today, and hope I help you how to use our eyebrow stamp kit. And if you need a different color, there is also a different color that suits on your skin tone. And see you for our next video. Bye.